In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger not working or Facebook Messenger is not opening problem on your phone. Just watch this video until the end and subscribe for more tech tips, tricks, for I upload tech videos every week, and you don't want to miss out any upload. So if your Facebook Messenger is not opening or is not working, just watch this video until the end. So just make sure you don't miss the last technique. Trust me, you don't want to miss it because you want to solve this problem very well. Just watch this video until the last minute so you'd get this. So I know what you're thinking, but first of all, just make sure first reboot your phone. Just make sure you reboot your phone. That is the first trick I want you to first do. You never know, sometimes rebooting the phone solves some problem, but first make sure you reboot your phone or restart your phone. Sometimes when you restart the phone, the challenge with most apps may be resolved. Now the second option is head onto your phone settings. Yes, head to your phone settings and scroll down. Depending on the phone you're having or you're using, depending on the phone that you're using, scroll down and look for apps, then select apps. When you select apps, select manage apps. Depending on the phone you're using, it might have a different display, so be sure to do the necessity so that you follow the video until the end. Then you're going to search in that search area. You're going to search for Messenger. Yes, that's the Messenger application that is not opening or not working on our phone. So we're going to solve that. So now the first thing you need to first do, make sure you first tap the force stop. Okay, if it's highlighted down there, make sure you stop the application. If after stopping the application, now you need to see the clear data there. Make sure that you clear data. Tap right there, then clear cache. Yes, then press OK. Just do that, and make sure if you're picking value in this video, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family, for I'm going to be teaching you how to solve such problems in the upcoming videos depending on the apps that you're having problems with. Okay, so then the next step is, if that is not resolving the problem, now the next step should be go to Google Play Store and make sure that Facebook Messenger, search for Messenger, and make sure you're running the most updated version of Facebook for you to solve this problem. Make sure that your Facebook is up to date, and make sure your Facebook is up to date. But usually the biggest problem when applications are not open is usually when they are not updated, the latest version. Just make sure any app that tries to misbehave are not open. Always make sure you run first update the app. Then if that doesn't work, make sure clear cake. This should try to fix the problem. So if you pick value in the video, make sure you subscribe and drop a like down below. So thanks for watching.